Hello my friends, this is Zeitgenosse today with a very rare special 91mm Victorinox knife. This knife is a one layer knife. There are not so many one layer knives in 91mm. This is a special golfer. So special golfer has the main blade, the large blade here. It's very nice to have one layer 91mm Victorinox. It feels very good, very thin, and here is the golf tool. So, and yes, toothpick and tweezers. And here the old style little screwdriver. And that's so far. The special golfer. Nice knife. I did not have seen it very often, especially in Germany or on eBay. I think it's very rare. I'm very lucky that I have found it. Yes, I hope you enjoyed my video and keep on watching my channel. Have a nice day and enjoy.